Crash Course on Brazilian Culture, an exploration of traditional and contemporary Brazilian culture, including music, dance, literature, sports, and cuisine. Brazilian culture is a vibrant and dynamic mix of European, African, and indigenous influences. From the lively samba music and dance to the colorful festivals and mouth-watering cuisine, Brazil has a rich cultural heritage that captivates visitors from all over the world. In this crash course, we will explore the diverse elements that make up Brazilian culture, from music and dance to literature, sports, and cuisine. One of the most iconic elements of Brazilian culture is the music. Brazilian music is a blend of African rhythms and European melodies, and it has influenced many other music genres around the world. The samba is perhaps the most well-known Brazilian musical genre, with its lively percussion and dance rhythm. Other popular music styles in Brazil include bossa nova, MPB, Brazilian popular music, forró, and funk carioca. Brazilian dance is also a significant part of the country's culture. From the lively samba to the sensual zouk, Brazilian dance is full of energy and passion. The Carnival in Rio de Janeiro is one of the most famous events in the world, and it is a celebration of dance, music, and color. The samba schools in Rio de Janeiro are also famous for their elaborate dance performances and intricate costumes. Literature is also an important part of Brazilian culture. Brazil has produced many world-renowned writers, including Jorge Amado, Paulo Coelho, and Clarice Lispector. The country's literature is diverse and reflects the country's rich cultural heritage. Sports play a significant role in Brazilian culture, with soccer being the most popular sport in the country. Brazil has produced some of the world's greatest soccer players, including Pelé, Ronaldo, and Neymar. Volleyball and beach soccer are also popular in Brazil, and the country has hosted many international sporting events, including the FIFA World Cup and the Olympic Games. Brazilian cuisine is known for its bold flavors and diverse ingredients. Feijoada, a stew of black beans, meat, and vegetables, is a traditional dish that is often served with rice and vegetables. Churrasco, or Brazilian barbecue, is also popular and consists of grilled meats and vegetables. The country is also known for its delicious desserts, including Brigadeiro, a chocolate truffle, and quindim, a coconut custard. Top 12 Brazilian culture and traditions. 1. Carnival in Rio de Janeiro. 2. Capoeira, a Brazilian martial art and dance. 3. Bossa nova music. 4. Brazilian barbecue, churrasco. 5. Samba music and dance. 6. Feijoada, a traditional Brazilian stew. 7. Brazilian soap operas, telenovelas. 8. Brazilian street art. 9. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, a martial art and combat sport. 10. Brigadeiro, a traditional Brazilian dessert. 11. Brazilian street food, including pastel and coxinha. 12. Festa Junina, a traditional Brazilian festival. In conclusion, Brazilian culture is a fascinating and diverse mix of traditions and influences that has captivated people around the world. From the lively music and dance to the mouth-watering cuisine and colorful festivals, Brazil is a country that celebrates life in all its forms. Poem. Brazil, land of samba and sun. A country that dances, a country of fun. From Carnival in Rio to the streets of Salvador. The rhythm of Brazil is what we adore. The beat of the drums and the sound of the horn. The samba brings us joy from dusk until dawn. With moves that are smooth and a smile on our face. We dance with abandon, in this vibrant place. The flavors of Brazil are bold and rich. From feijoada to churrasco, every dish is a hit. The Brigadeiro. Song. Verse 1. In Brazil the music never stops. From samba to bossa nova, it rocks. Their rhythms are contagious, can't resist. It's a celebration, a cultural twist. Chorus. Brazilian culture, so diverse and rich. From music to dance, it's a vibrant mix. The food, the art, the traditions they hold. A colorful tapestry, a story to be told. Verse 2. Their dance, the samba, with its swaying hips. Moves to the beat, it's a party that never quits. And capoeira, a martial art dance. A blend of African and Brazilian, it's a chance. Chorus. Brazilian culture, so diverse and rich. From music to dance, it's a vibrant mix. The food, the art, the traditions they hold. A colorful tapestry, a story to be told. Verse 3. Brazilian literature, from Machado de Assis to Paulo Coelho, their words never miss. Their art, from Tarsila do Amaral to Portinari. Colors and shapes that capture the scenery. Chorus. Brazilian culture, so diverse and rich. From music to dance, it's a vibrant mix. The food, the art, the traditions they hold. A colorful tapestry, a story to be told. Verse 4. Their sports, from soccer to Jiu-Jitsu. They play with passion, with a spirit that's true. And their food, from feijoada to churrasco. A culinary journey, that's hard to let go. Chorus. Brazilian culture, so diverse and rich. From music to dance, it's a vibrant mix. The food, the art, the traditions they hold. A colorful tapestry, a story to be told. Outro. Brazilian culture, it's a world of its own. A fascinating journey, that's yet to be shown. Come and explore the beauty that awaits. In Brazil, the culture never dissipates. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Brazil has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Brazil, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 =7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.